I'm going to invite our first presenter up. Nichole Angell is going to be presenting from the Water Resources Sciences.
All right, everyone can hear me? Wait. You know that feeling. You're taking a dip in the lake on a hot summer day when suddenly you feel something cool and slimy wrap around your leg. And whatever it is, it won't let go. Your mind goes racing in a million different directions as you spastically splash water everywhere. Is that a fish? A sea monster? Or worse? Is that an aquatic invasive species? You finally make it back to dry land, look down at your leg, and realize your worst fears have come true. The lake you love is now infested with a new invasive that's overtaking your favorite swimming hole and perhaps forever changing the ecosystem. Aquatic invasive species, otherwise known as AIS, are organisms that when introduced to new waters cause harm to the environment, economy, and human health. For species like zebra mussels, Eurasian water milfoil, and many others, the primary pathway of spread is via recreational boats moving between lakes. Consequently, millions of dollars is spent on prevention techniques like boater education, watercraft inspection, and decontamination. Because an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, right? Unfortunately, we don't know how effective our preventions actually are. With my research, I will not only fill this knowledge gap, but also develop a new tool for the state to most cost-effectively allocate its limited resources. To do this, I was out in the field this summer conducting experimental boat inspections. During these inspections, I observed boaters and inspectors completing prevention steps on a typical fishing boat that had been purposely planted with AIS. I recorded removal effectiveness data from 144 participants across 16 counties in Minnesota. And early results are very interesting, showing that inspectors are significantly more effective than boaters. So perhaps our ounce of prevention is worth it. All right, we know how our preventions compare, but what's next? Well, we are currently developing a new feature as part of an online tool called the AIS Explorer. This tool currently forecasts the spread of AIS from lake to lake. With our new feature added, managers for the first time can create hypothetical prevention scenarios and visualize the impacts of their interventions before actually implementing them across the landscape. This will ultimately change the way we manage AIS, allowing program managers to place their preventions in the most strategic and efficient ways possible, saving time, money, and our lakes. And because of this project, maybe next time you're enjoying a swim, it will only be a sea monster touching your leg, and not another new aquatic invasive species. Thank you.